On F7 wing, which undertakes all training on the Gripen for both the Swedish forces of at least 40 each. South Africa, and as of this year, Thailand also trying to their first 6 of eventual 12 aircraft early this year. Was topping off about 1,500 feet. He's coming back in now for a low-speed fly past, coming down to as slow as 100 knots. Also, the Empire Test Pilot School operates a 2-seat JS-39B in training test pilots from across the world.
Disappointing not to see the high show. The benefits obviously of the low show that the aircraft has to be kept in a lot tighter and a lot closer, so more opportunities for some great photographs.
Very good last year we saw the Gripen G with the generation of power.
Accelerating away now and clearing to the west. The aircraft will then be manoeuvred back in and the burn is kept in to get up to the high-speed flight past.
Like so many other of the fast jet types taking part in the React 2011 flying display, Swedish Gripens are currently on operations in Libya. The Swedish Air Force deployed 8 aircraft from F-17 wing to Sigonella on Sicily at the beginning of April for the Operation Unified Protector mission, the no-fly zone patrols. It was made clear that the aircraft would only support those efforts rather than flying offensive missions. Since then, the Griffins have reported numerous violations of the no-fly zone by Libyan helicopters and light aircraft.
In terms of weapons loads, this can carry up to 14,000 pounds of rockets, bombs or missiles and has a single 27mm Mauser BK-27 cannon.
Since the end of 2009, the Swedish Air Force Gripens have also boasted an air-to-air refuelling capability. Well, the capability had always been present up until then, but it hadn't been used. Then they started working up with a French Air Force C-135FR tanker, enabling them to utilise the refuelling capability operationally. And over Libya, they've been supported by Swedish tanker-configured Hercules and USAF KC-10s and KC-135s.
So our first flying fast jet today is Anders Björk in the Swedish Air Force Saab JS-39C Gripen. Very nice display too.
Yes, a great, if somewhat delayed start, and pretty spirited effort, especially considering the weather conditions. Cloud base now scattered at 800 feet, which is going to be right on the limit. So a lot of the following display items will be very much down to the permission of the flying display director.
You get a good view here of the Gripen as it just taxis in for us. You know, the canard, the small wings at the front, similar to the Rafale and the Typhoon, of course, which we'll both see later.